Smartphone lovers, get ready. The battle between the Redmi Note 14 and Redmi Note 13 is heating up. Which one is the real winner? Should you upgrade, or is the previous model still the best bang for your buck? Stay tuned as we dive deep into this epic comparison. Design and build. First up, let's talk about design. Xiaomi has always focused on aesthetics, and the Redmi Note 14 takes things up a notch. It boasts a sleeker, more premium look with even slimmer bezels and a refined camera module. But how does it compare to its predecessor? The Redmi Note 13 was already a solid device with a sturdy build, but the Note 14 brings an improved ergonomic feel. The materials feel more premium in hand, and Xiaomi has slightly reduced the weight, making it more comfortable to hold. So, if design matters to you, the Note 14 is a clear step up. Display. A great smartphone needs a fantastic display. The Redmi Note 13 came with an impressive AMOLED panel, but Redmi Note 14 steps it up with a higher refresh rate and improved brightness levels. But is it a drastic difference? Both phones feature AMOLED technology, ensuring deep blacks and vibrant colors, but the Note 14 now supports a higher refresh rate of 144 Hz, making scrolling and gaming ultra smooth. If you're a gamer or love fluid animations, this upgrade is a game changer. Performance and processor. Performance is where things get serious. The Redmi Note 14 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor, while the Redmi Note 13 runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. What does this mean in real life? In benchmarks, the Note 14 outperforms its predecessor by 15 to 20%, making it faster in app launches, gaming, and overall responsiveness. If you're into heavy gaming or multitasking, the Note 14 is the obvious winner. Camera performance. Cameras are a crucial factor for many users. The Redmi Note 13 already had an impressive 50-megapixel main sensor, but Xiaomi has taken things up a notch with the Redmi Note 14. It now features a 64-megapixel primary camera with improved night mode and AI enhancements. Low-light photography has seen noticeable improvement, and the new AI-powered image processing makes details sharper and colors more natural. If you love photography, this upgrade will not disappoint. Battery and charging. Battery life is a major deal breaker. Both devices come with a 5,000 mAh battery, but thanks to a more power-efficient processor, the Note 14 lasts longer on a single charge. The Note 13 supported 67-watt fast charging, but the Note 14 now takes it up to 90-watt fast charging, filling up 50% in just 15 minutes. So, if you hate waiting for your phone to charge, this is a huge win. Software and features. Software experience is another major upgrade. The Note 13 came with MIUI 14, while the Note 14 ships with HyperOS, Xiaomi's newest and smoothest operating system yet. HyperOS brings faster animations, better RAM management, and improved security features. If you're looking for a smoother and more refined software experience, the Note 14 is the way to go. Audio and multimedia experience. Let's talk about audio. The Redmi Note 14 features enhanced stereo speakers with improved bass and clarity compared to the Note 13. Watching movies and listening to music feels more immersive. Additionally, the new Dolby Atmos support provides a richer and more detailed soundstage. If you use your phone for entertainment, the Note 14 is a clear winner. Connectivity and extra features. Connectivity is crucial, and the Note 14 now supports Wi-Fi 6, giving you faster and more reliable internet speeds. The 5G capabilities are also improved, ensuring better coverage and speeds in supported areas. Additionally, the fingerprint scanner on the Note 14 is faster and more accurate, making unlocking your phone even smoother. Price and final verdict. Now, the ultimate question: should you upgrade? The Redmi Note 13 still holds its ground with solid performance and a great display. But if you crave faster speeds, a better camera, and an ultra-smooth experience, the Note 14 is worth every penny. So, what do you think? Are you sticking with the Redmi Note 13 or are you upgrading to the Note 14? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech battles like this.